Take your needle threader. You'll notice it has a wide open loop at one end. Start by gently inserting the loop through the eye of your needle. Next, take your embroidery floss and pass it through the loop of the needle threader. Once the floss is inside the loop, gently pull the needle threader back out of the needle. As you do this, the needle will pass through the needle's eye along with it. And just like that, your needle is threaded. And I usually recommend using a needle threader, especially when working with 4 to 6 strands of floss. Now to secure the thread, pull the thread through until a few inches are left at the end. Squeeze the end gently and tie a knot. If the knot is too small, repeat the process again to make it thicker, so it stays secure as you stitch. And that's it. Now your needle is threaded and you're ready to go. Let's start stitching.